Welcome friends to my channel Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. I am Pratim, and today friends, in this video I am going to show you a self hair massage with oil. That is how you can massage your hair by yourself. Before I have loaded a video on hair massage with oil, but this is a self hair massage. So friends, first we have to see that how we will prepare the herbal oil. So let's move on and prepare the oil. Now first take coconut oil. Now we have taken 250 ml of coconut oil and mildly heat it. When heated, add to it fenugreek seeds. Then add 1 teaspoon of black cumin. Now add to it curry leaf. Now boil it for 10 minutes in sim mode. Now after 10 minutes, switch off the gas and let the oil cool down. So friends, after the oil has cooled down, thoroughly filter it and then apply it. Now friends, if you so want, before applying you can mildly warm the oil, or else you can apply just like that. Friends, I will show you that how you can apply a self massage on your hair. Now first take a cotton and dip it thoroughly into the prepared oil and squeeze it thoroughly. Now friends, I will show you that how you can self massage oil on your hair. Now friends, after you have thoroughly applied the oil all over your scalp and through the length of your hair, now start massaging with the tip of your fingers very gently. The massage should be in a clockwise and anti-clockwise motion. Don't apply big pressure, just apply mild pressure and massage with the tip of your fingers. Massage all throughout the scalp. This hair care, you can do it yourself at home, and this will make your hair very healthy, and the texture of your hair will become very good. Now, as you can see, apply mild pressure with both of your hands. As you can see, apply, massage in a circular motion. The tip of your fingers, apply, massage in a circular motion. Now friends, when you brush your hair very gently. Don't do it fast and don't apply a lot of pressure. That may result to hair breakage. Gently brush your hair. Now friends, a lot of my esteemed viewers are querying that how the model has such thick and long silky hair. Now I will bring to you a lot of videos, herbal packs. That is the secret of the long silky hair. So friends, keep watching for that videos.